Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is pollution of water. Students, first let us understand what exactly is water pollution. Simply stating it, it is the mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material making water unfit for use. I'll repeat it again. It is the mixing of natural or artificial unwanted material making water unfit for use. This is called as water pollution. Now students, the pollution can occur in fresh water or even in marine water. And this pollution brought about different types of changes. They might be physical changes, chemical changes, or even biological changes. Now students, let us see the various effects of water pollution. Polluted water can affect the ecosystem by retarding the growth of plants. Also, there might be loss of various plant species. It can lead to increase in the salinity, that is the salt content of water, making the water unsuitable for animals, various aquatic animals as well as various aquatic plants. Also students, this can lead to death of aquatic plants as well as animals. Now students, there are also certain other effects of water pollution, like there can be a change in the smell as well as the color of water, and if this polluted water is by chance used for irrigation, then it will definitely destroy the crops.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.